Hi guys, today we are showing how to set up a React project. First open any folder and go to address bar, type code space dot to open your VS Code. Make sure you should have a VS Code installed in your system. So it will look like this. Go here and in terminal you can find new terminal. Open your new terminal and then go to Google and go to React Vite. Click on this first link and go down and copy this command and paste it here and press enter. It's asking for our project name, so we will keep our React demo project. Press enter and it's asking for the framework. You can see yes, vanilla view React. We are going to set up a React, so click on React and then you can use the arrow key to up and down and press enter for the selection. We will use here JavaScript. Press enter and enter yes, it will install all the dependencies and packages. So here you can see our project is creating and it's installing all the files. So wait for few seconds. Yes, now our React project has been set up and our project has been started. So copy this link and go to browser and paste it and press enter. So you can see our React project has been started. So you can press and check. Our React setup has been done and you can see the our React project is running now. So thank you for watching.